All, I am standing in the campus of the Electricity Board of Bokajan, where the peoples of the Khatkati area, the village of Basbari, and related to the surrounding this Basbari village area, where government of Assam given the slogan Har Ghar Bijli, but the peoples of this area are suffering from the problems of the electricity because they have, according to them, they have said to me that the whole village area already applied for the electricity distributions in this area, but the department has not taken any step about it, and they have applied and said this problem 1 year ago, means 2022-23, but 1 year have already passed, and department has not taken any step about the solution of this problem. So they came to the SDO office of the electricity, where they again revise their problem and said they submit their applications, and SDO of the electricity board has said them, we will do, our department will do again your solution of this problem within 2 days, if your work is completed within 2 days. But it is one thing necessary, I mentioned that the government, who is responsible, government or the department, because government already has said a slogan given, Har Ghar Bijli, Har Ghar Bijli, but till this village area has no any kinds of connections of the electricity. It means the department, like this department, already make a bad image of the government. So government take the necessary steps against the officers or employed of the Bokajan Electricity Board. Thank you.
Electricity is available in every house only in Nara. Slogan. People are living without electricity for a long time. A cessation of negligence on the electricity department. People of Ganesh Colony, Basbari, Larijan, Natun Basti and its surrounding area of Khatkati Police Station area of Bokajan subdivision are forced to travel without electricity. However, the people of all these settlements have been informing the electricity department about this problem for the last 2 years, 2002-2023. But the department is sleeping in Kumbhakarni Neend, a phrase. In view of this, the people of this settlement today came to the Bokajan headquarters of the electricity department and demonstrated their protest, made the SDO electricity and applied again. And the department resolved their problem. It took 2 days for immediate solutions up to 13th of this June. Because today is 11th June. It took 2 days for immediate solutions. The question is that ultimately which government or department is responsible for it? Because the government is providing facilities to the general public, but it is due to the such departmental bureaucrats that the government gets defamed. A ground report of the correspondent Mr. Dilip Kumar Pandey, Bokajan Public TV.
What is the problem?
In our colony, low voltage and no electricity. Within 24 hours a day, minimum they give 6 to 7 hours, and within that 6 to 7 hours also voltage is very low. Even we can't charge our phone also with that voltage. We are facing lots of problems. Every time that up, down, voltage problem is very much. We can't charge even our phone. You can understand what kind of voltage they are giving.
No, then you have complained about this before.
We already
today.
complained. In 2023, we have complained, but no action has been taken. In our colony, we need a transformer. They are not giving that transformer in our colony. We need a new transformer. One transformer can't take load of two, three areas, right? One transformer cannot take load. We need another transformer, but this department is not giving us that transformer.
Okay. Your huge bill or other things.
Our bills are cleared. Every month we pay our bills.
Time to time.
Time to time. We are paying our bills. Every month bills are like more than 1500, 1600, but we are paying that bills. You can see the bill also. I'll show you. Wait.
Okay. And now today what happened? You have complained then?
We came here to complain again for the same problem, for low voltage.
Then what happened?
They told that they will work on it. When they will work, they only know. We are complaining again and again.
They have given any time period?
On the 13th of this month, they said they will start their work. Now also they have not started their work. What to do with this department, I also don't know. They have not started their work till now.
Then what do you want to say about the higher authority, means the government of India? Because the government...
To take action against them. They need to take action against them.
Because our chief minister already said, then Har Ghar Bijli Nara.
Yes.
Then what do you want to say?
We are not getting. We are getting very low voltage in our area. What we will do with that voltage? We can't even charge our phone with that low voltage. What we will do with that?
अच्छा, आप कहाँ से हैं?
मोर तो एक ही प्रॉब्लम আছে
हाँ आज गवर्नमेंट तो आज मोदी प्राइम मिनिस्टर आज तो कहती कि घर घर में बिजली हमने दे दिया
तो कोई से तो दिया ही नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम तो मोर हो আছে না কলোনি যিমান মানুহ আছে সবৰ প্ৰব্লেম হৈছে পানীৰ কাৰণে দিগদাৰ হৈ আছে ঘুমাবৰ কাৰণে যিবিলাক মানুহ প্ৰেছাৰ হাই আছে সুগাৰ আছে তাহতি কি কৰিব মৰিলে ৰিস্ক দিব নেকি তাহতি ৰিস্ক তো নেদিব নহয় আৰু বস্তুবিলাক যে বিয়া হৈ আছে বস্তুবিলাকৰ তাহতি দামটো দিব এই কাৰণে মই আপোনাৰ লগতে কৈ আছো ভালে কাৰেণ্টটো সাপ্লাই ভাল পৰা দিলে ভাল আছে
বিদ্যুতের অসুবিধা কম কি আজি আমার দুই তিনি বছর এনেকা হব 2-3 বছরের পৰা বহুত দিগদার পাই আছো আমি এটো ভোল্টেজ নাই ইনভার্টারের ব্যাটারি তক চার্জ নহয় বহুত দিগদারি হয়ে গেছে না পানি উঠাব পারি আছে না হাই প্রেসার মানুষবিলাকৰ দিগদারি হৈ আছে যেন বহুত দিগদারি হৈ আছে এটো কেনে আর কি কম বলে মনে রাইজে দেখি আছে এটো কেনেকা হৈ আছে বলি আমি তো বারবার আহি আছো এটো আমি অফিসত আহি আছো কৈ আছো স্যার এনেকা এনেকা আমার দিগদারি হৈ আছে আমি এটো কি কৰিব লাগে বলে কৈ আছো
বিদ্যুতের খুঁটিবিলাক আমি ইতিমধ্যে দেখিবলৈ পাইছো ভঙা চিঙা আছে এই বিষয়ে কি কব
এই যোৱাবাৰ বি আমাৰ এবছৰ আগতে আমি এটো কলো আমি মিডিয়াক মাতি এটো কলো বলে এনেকা দিগদারি হৈ আছে বুলি কৈ আছে এটো কাৰেণ্টৰ খুঁটি দিগদারি হৈ আছে কাৰেণ্টৰ খুঁটিবিলাক সব বেণ্ড হৈ গৈ আছে কোনোবা তার ছিঙি যায় কেতিয়াবা তার ছিঙি যালে 2-3 দিন লাইন নাহে বহুত দুখ অসুবিধা হৈ আছে বহুত মানুহ ৰাইজৰ ভিতৰত সেইটো দিন জুয়ে লাগিছে এটা এই কাৰেণ্টৰ খুঁটি গিৰি এটো এতিয়াৰ কি বিচাৰে এটো কাৰণে আমি চৰকাৰৰ ভিতৰত এইটো আমি অনুৰোধ কৰি আছো স্যাৰ এটোকে আমাৰ অতি সোনকালত এটো আমাৰ এটো ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মাৰটো আমাৰ এটো দিব লাগে বুলি কৈ আছে দিৰি এটা ভাল এটো আমাৰ খবৰ এটা জানাব লাগে স্যাৰ এটো আমি আশা কৰি আছো স্যাৰৰ পৰা